If you've ever tried uploading a huge file to Google Drive and felt like it was taking forever, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to upload large files to Google Drive faster using a few simple but effective steps that can make the whole process smoother and more reliable. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this one. All right, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have a stable, fast internet connection. This is one of the biggest factors when it comes to upload speed. If possible, use a strong Wi-Fi connection instead of a mobile hotspot because Wi-Fi is usually more consistent for large uploads. Also, avoid switching networks while the file is uploading because that can interrupt the process or even cause the upload to restart. Next, upload fewer items at once. If you're trying to push too many files at the same time, especially large ones, it can slow everything down. A better approach is to upload one large file at a time so Google Drive can focus on completing that transfer without extra load. If you have a lot of files to move, it's usually better to do them in smaller batches rather than all at once. Another tip is to use Google Chrome. Chrome tends to work best with Google services, and in many cases, it provides the smoothest experience for uploads to Drive. If you're using another browser and running into issues, switching to Chrome can help improve stability. While the file is uploading, keep the tab open and don't refresh the page. Closing the tab, navigating away, or refreshing can interrupt the upload and force you to start over, which is especially frustrating with large files. So once you begin, just let it run until it's fully finished. If your file is extremely large, consider splitting it into smaller parts before uploading. This is especially useful if you're dealing with archive files, video projects, backups, or anything massive that might be more reliable in chunks. Uploading smaller parts separately can sometimes be easier to manage and less likely to fail halfway through. You should also try uploading during off-peak hours. Late at night or early in the morning, your network may be less congested, which can sometimes lead to better upload performance. Even though Drive itself doesn't have a turbo mode or a special fast upload setting, your connection often performs better when fewer people are using the network. Another helpful step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, your browser can build up stored data that may affect performance. To do this in Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Clearing old cached files can help the browser run more efficiently, especially if uploads have been acting strangely or lagging. It's also important to understand one key point. Your upload speed mainly depends on your internet upload speed, not Google Drive itself. So if your connection is slow, even the best settings won't make it magically faster. What you can do is make the process as efficient and stable as possible by using the right browser, keeping the tab open, avoiding interruptions, and uploading during a time when your internet is performing well. So to quickly recap, use a stable Wi-Fi connection, upload one large file at a time, use Google Chrome, keep the tab open, split extremely large files if needed, upload during off-peak hours, and clear your browser cache if necessary. Those small changes can make a big difference when you're working with large files. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.